Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are sitting in the new Dacia Jogger. This is the facelifted version, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to install the phone holder on the dashboard itself. So here it is, the phone holder, and it's actually very simple, but follow these steps so you don't get it wrong. Now first thing that you will do is remove this cover, but don't push it out like this, it will not go. You need to push it upwards. There we go. So pull it like this, and now you've removed this cover, and you can now put the phone holder. You will do it here and then push it down, and that's it. Here is the phone holder. You can also adjust the way it stands. You can adjust it to the left, but I think this is the ideal position. And this is how it looks with the phone in its place. So this is the big one, the 15 Pro Max, and as you can see, fits nicely in here. So yeah, now I will also remove this, and we will put the cover back on. In order to remove it, push it upwards. There we go, very easy. And now the cover goes in, and you just, and now the cover, there we go. It's easy to put it back in its place. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe for more, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.